Are you tired of not being able to last long enough to satisfy your partner? We have the ultimate solution. Introducing Jamaican Black Stone, the natural, powerful remedy that helps you last longer and satisfy your partner like never before. This is not just another product, it's a game changer. Imagine delayed ejaculation, giving you more control over your intimate moments. Feel unstoppable with increased stamina, letting you go the distance every time. Experience stronger, more reliable erections that will leave you and your partner thrilled. And the best part? It's made from 100% natural ingredients, ensuring both safety and effectiveness. Don't wait another moment. Your satisfaction is just a click away. Experience the power of Jamaican Black Stone and redefine your intimate moments today. Transform your love life like never before.